Hi, I'm Nerida from Achtung Camper, and today I want to show you our fabulous swivel seat base and how it works. So here we are on the passenger side. We need to have the door open, obviously. The easiest way to access it is by standing beside the seat here on the outside. First, we have the comfort pack with the armrests, so we need to make sure that they're up and away. And then there's two mechanisms at the base of the seat. So there is the slide mechanism that slides the seat forward and back, and then there's a middle lever here that we can engage the swivel seat with. So the first point to mention is the seat needs to be slid all the way back, which it is. Then we lift the lever here and then push on the back of the seat and swivel around into campervan mode. And then if you can come and have a look here, you can see the mechanisms nice and clearly here. When we are in this position, the seat doesn't lock, it is still on the swivel, which is fine. And then you can slide the seat forward if you want to come in and sit together out of the weather. So in reverse, to put it back into driving position, again, we need to make sure the seat's all the way back, and then we just push on the backrest inwards, slide around until we hear it lock. There we go, ready to roll.